11 Proven health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the best food varieties on earth. They're stacked with supplements that can have significant advantages for your body and cerebrum. Here are 11 medical advantages of chia seeds, upheld by science. 1. Chia seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. Chia seeds are small dark seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is identified with mint. Chia seeds were significant nourishment for the Aztecs and Mayans some time ago. They valued them for their capacity to give reasonable energy. Truth be told, chia is the old Mayan word for strength. Notwithstanding their old history as a dietary staple, chia seeds got perceived as a present-day superfood as of late. In the previous few years, they have detonated in prevalence and are currently devoured by well-being cognizant individuals everywhere in the world. Try not to be tricked by the size. These little seeds sneak up all of a sudden. 2. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Another region where chia seeds sparkle is their high cell reinforcement content. These cell reinforcements secure the touchy fats in the seeds from going smelly. Despite the fact that the advantages of cancer prevention agent supplements are discussed, scientists concur that getting cell reinforcements from food sources can have positive well-being impacts. In particular, cancer prevention agents battle the creation of free extremists, which can harm cell atoms and add to maturing and sicknesses like malignancy. In summary, chia seeds are high in cell reinforcements that help ensure the fragile fats in the seeds. They additionally have different advantages for well-being. 3. Practically all the carbs in them are fiber. Fiber neither raises glucose nor expects insulin to be discarded. Despite the fact that it has a place with the carb family, its well-being impacts are radically unique in relation to those of edible carbs like starch and sugar. The absorbable carb content is just a single gram for each ounce, which is extremely low. This makes chia a low-carb accommodating food. In light of its high soluble fiber content, chia seeds can assimilate up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, turning out to be gel-like and growing in your stomach. 4. Chia seeds are high in quality protein. Chia seeds contain a fair measure of protein. By weight, they're about 14% protein, which is high contrasted with most plants. They additionally have a decent equilibrium of fundamental amino acids, so your body ought to have the option to utilize their protein content. Protein has different medical advantages and is by a long shot the most weight reduction cordial dietary supplement. Chia seeds truly are a great protein source, particularly for individuals who eat next to zero creature items. 5. The high fiber and protein content in chia seeds may help you lose weight. Numerous well-being specialists accept that chia seeds can help weight reduction. Its solvent fiber assimilates a lot of water and extends in your stomach, which should expand totality and moderate the ingestion of food. A few examinations have analyzed the dissolvable fiber glucomannan, which works likewise, showing that it can prompt weight reduction. Likewise, the protein in chia seeds could help lessen hunger and food admission. Indeed, one investigation found that having chia seeds for breakfast expanded satiety and decreased food consumption temporarily. Be that as it may, considers looking at the viability of chia seeds for weight reduction have given rather disillusioning outcomes. In an investigation of 90 overweight individuals, 50 grams of chia seeds each day for 12 weeks had no impact on body weight or well-being markers. In an additional 10-week concentrate in 62 ladies, chia seeds had no impact on body weight except for expanded the measure of omega-3 fat in the blood. Conversely, a 6-month concentrate in large individuals with type 2 diabetes on a diminished calorie diet found that eating chia seeds every day caused altogether more prominent weight reduction than a fake treatment. In spite of the fact that adding chia seeds to your eating regimen is probably not going to cause weight reduction all alone, numerous specialists accept they can be a valuable option to a weight reduction diet. A weight reduction diet is about something beyond single food sources. The whole eating regimen tallies, just as another way of life practices like rest and exercise. When joined with a genuine food-based eating regimen and a solid way of life, chia seeds may help advance weight reduction. 6. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Like flax seeds, Chia seeds are high in omega-3 unsaturated fats. Truth be told, chia seeds contain more omega-3s than salmon, gram for gram. Nonetheless, it's imperative to remember that the omega-3s in them are generally alpha-linolenic corrosive, which isn't pretty much as gainful as you may suspect. ALA should be changed over into the dynamic structures icosapentaenoic corrosive, EPA, and docosahexaenoic corrosive, DHA, before your body can utilize it. Shockingly, people are wasteful at changing over ALA into these dynamic structures. Accordingly, plant omega-3s will in general be boundlessly substandard compared to creature sources like fish oil. 7. Chia seeds may lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber, protein, and omega-3s, they may decrease your danger of coronary illness. Their advantages have been inspected in a few examinations, yet the outcomes have been uncertain. Rodent contemplates have shown that chia seeds can bring down certain danger factors, including fatty oils, irritation, insulin opposition, and tummy fat. They may likewise raise great HDL cholesterol. 8. They're high in many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in a few supplements that are significant for bone well-being. This incorporates calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and protein. The calcium content is especially great, -18% of the RDI in a solitary ounce, 28 grams. Gram for gram is higher than most dairy items. Accordingly, chia seeds might be viewed as a phenomenal wellspring of calcium for individuals who don't eat dairy. In any case, chia seeds additionally contain phytocorrosive, which decreases calcium retention somewhat. Synopsis: chia seeds are high in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and protein. These supplements are fundamental for bone well-being. 9. Chia seeds may reduce blood sugar levels. High fasting glucose levels are a normal side effect of untreated sort 2 diabetes. Reliably high fasting glucose levels are related to an expanded danger of a few ongoing infections, including coronary illness. However, brief spikes in glucose levels after suppers may likewise have unfavorable well-being impacts when they're unnecessarily high consistently. 10. They may reduce chronic inflammation. Irritation is your body's ordinary reaction to disease or injury. Red and swollen skin is a commonplace model. Despite the fact that irritation assists your body with recuperating and fend off microbes, infections, and other irresistible specialists, it can some of the time cause hurt. This essentially applies to persistent aggravation, which is related to an expanded danger of coronary illness and malignancy. Persistent aggravation frequently doesn't have any noticeable signs, however can be surveyed by estimating fiery markers in your blood. Different unfortunate ways of life propensities increment your danger of constant aggravation, including smoking, absence of activity, or a terrible eating routine. Then again, certain good food varieties may diminish the blood levels of fiery markers. One 3-month concentrate in 20 individuals with diabetes showed that eating 37 grams of chia seeds day by day decreased the fiery marker HSCRP by 40%. Conversely, the individuals who got wheat grain didn't encounter a critical advantage. Reward tip: 11. Chia seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are extraordinarily simple to join into your eating regimen. The actual seeds taste rather boring, so you can add them to essentially anything. They likewise shouldn't be ground like flax seeds, which makes them a lot simpler to get ready. They can be eaten crude, absorbed juice, added to porridge, pudding, smoothies, or added to prepared merchandise. You can likewise sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. In view of their capacity to assimilate both water and fat, they can be utilized to thicken sauces and as egg substitutes in plans. They can likewise be blended in with water and transformed into a gel. Adding chia seeds to plans will drastically help their health benefit. In the event that you need to purchase chia seeds, there is a magnificent determination on Amazon with a great many client surveys. They do likewise appear to be all around endured, yet in the event that you're not used to eating a ton of fiber, there is a chance of stomach-related results on the off chance that you eat a lot at a time. The bottom line is, Chia seeds are not just wealthy in supplements, omega-3 fat, cell reinforcements, and fiber, yet additionally simple to plan. Individuals normally add them to their porridge or smoothies. Thank you for watching.